Hey guys, today let's learn how to use the Capcut templates in TikTok. So if you guys want to go ahead and use the Capcut templates on the TikTok application, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first is to go ahead and launch the Capcut application. And once we're already here, we can actually go ahead and tap on the templates option to view all of the templates available to us that we can actually post on TikTok. So all we need to do from here is to choose the desired template we want to go ahead and use, and then from there it will automatically be applied on our video just by choosing the preferred videos that we want to go ahead and add. So in this case, I want to go ahead and maybe choose this one right here, and all we need to do if you want to go ahead and use this template is just tap on use template and then choose your preferred video that you would like to go ahead and add. In this case, I'm just going to go ahead and use this video right here, and of course the template is automatically going to be added. We could also play this video all the way through and see its results, but if you're happy with what you've done, just go ahead and just tap on export and then go ahead and tap on save and share to TikTok so that it could remove the CapCut watermark once you've uploaded it to TikTok already. But that's how you guys could use the CapCut templates and post it over on TikTok. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.